beautiful day, Bella.
I love our home. Max, what is that? Help! Somebody help!
You cannot escape!
Someone came.
Leave now or face my anger. Fuel! Wrong fight! Go! Never hurt innocents again!
I'm sorry, I'll leave.
Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. Hulk wants you and the family. Subscribe now!
Thank you. You're our hero.
You're welcome, friends. Whenever you need help, I'll be there.
You'll always be in our hearts.